Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful flowers using dry leaves, also known as collective leaves, and transforming them into a stunning realistic flowers. We'll be creating a more advanced design, a rustic rose that's perfect for any season, event, or a special occasion. It's a unique, elegant flower that can last for many years. Material that we will need: 13 preserved dry leaves, flexible metal wire, hot glue gun, florist tape for covering and finish the stem. The demonstration that shows, I will show you the step-by-step how to shape the petals, building the structure and camouflage the bottom parts so the wire or frame is completely hiding, giving the flower a realistic and natural finish. These flowers are perfect for any kind of event decoration, and they can even be sold commercially. They really stand out and always attract the attention from guests. It will also show you some colors variation and decoration ideas, including how these flowers look when arranged in recycling bottle vases. The same bottle I have been used in previous videos where I explained how to remove the labels and prepare them. They will be so simple, medium-sized bottles, but they look so elegant in any event that we can place. I hope you enjoy this video and feel inspired to try making these flowers yourself. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on a notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Thank you. demonstration, the wrapping technique. I'm wrapping the white flowers tape from the middle, moving from the bottom to top, pressing it nice and smooth to create a cleaning finish. In the next demonstration, I'm showing you a step-by-step flower making technique with a completely different style. Here I'm creating a simple DIY purple flower. First, I place the petals upside down. Right after, glue them so I can shape them while the glue is still hot and easy to work with. Continue doing it till I have at least a few of them, and then adjust a little bit with the hands, pressing it carefully so I don't get burned. Then place in the areas or in the parts that is missing. But first of all, to cover, I put in the center, few in the center to make them really a little bit tight to look more realistic. Now this part that the petal is damaged, sometimes because it's very sensitive, we need to be very careful. I'm gonna glue carefully, and then the part that is damaged. That's it. I continue gluing more and more petals in the areas that is missing. Then after, I'm switching to the green flowers tape and wrapping it from the top to the bottom to complete the stem. Then I'm gonna ask you to leave a comment below and let me know which flower making style do you prefer. The white flower making technique showed at the beginning of the video, or the easier purple flower making technique. I have such a pleasure to make these flowers. Now, for example, I'm still gonna place more petals, but I'm reshaping them. I try to open a little bit and shape the petals. These are very beautiful. Now I'm gonna start to wrap. wrapping the wire or the stem. This time you notice I'm gonna cut it. The first time I didn't cut it because now I know the amount I'm gonna use. I cut it this time and start from the top. But when I started, I placed the tape, florist tape, on the diagonal position and press it hard because I didn't put the glue yet, and sometimes it's moving a little bit, so we need to continue pressing on the top and slide it coming down. Now I'm going to do with a different type of flower I also make. And one of the things I want to tell you guys, if I get at least more than 500 comments, I'm going to show you a next video how to make this style of flowers. Also very nice, easy to make on the bamboo because we can use any kind of stems. Also bamboo is, and this one is so fun to do. It was to making that kind of barbecue bamboo. I used it and it was really fun. So this is all the type of flowers or styles that I make. I hope you enjoy it. And then after is coming the decoration of the bottles. Please pay attention to. Now it comes the double side glass bottle vase decoration. We start with the eucalyptus, dry eucalyptus. Then we're going to use different kind of shades of pampas grass. Big dry magnolia leaf, real touch rose, white or ivory for example, more roses that we made with leaves, ponytail grass, dry ponytail grass. I think two will look much better. That part that is empty, one of the sides, we're gonna put a drop with preserved leaves as well, white preserved leaves. I think it's gonna look nice. Just have a look at the next one. Suggestion that is coming. Can you see that? The leaves on the side? Beautiful. Here is the different colors. In the new video that is coming, we will show how to make a mason jar of happiness, a lovely gift idea that you can give to a friend, family, or even turn into a creativity invitation with the full of meaning. I hope you like the idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon.